Hello. I'd like to focus this short video on the concept of showing significance in your research. That is one of the items research is all about. Over on the left-hand column are the 7 ways you can demonstrate the importance or significance of your research. Take a quick review. I'm going to address each of these items as the purpose of the way to show significance. First, significance is all about being worthy of attention. So why is your topic of your research paper worthy of attention? We're going to see that it's one or more of these 7 items. For example, is your topic something that is timely and critical to get done, such as this patient immediately needing some assistance? Does your research fill a gap in information or knowledge? Or is your research solving a practical problem? Does your research enhance the understanding of a concept? For example, this example is about pensions, which are few and far between now. So for a younger generation, it would be the concept of a pension, how it works, why it's gone away. Or does your research relate to a particular problem or population? The millennial population has problems that the baby boomer generation may not have, and vice versa. Here I am. Or does your research, can it be applied to another context, to another situation? Does your research broaden the knowledge base within an already existing knowledge base? These are the items that you would be attempting to demonstrate, one or more, in your research.